So my dresser drawers have been a disaster for a very long time now, and I have not sat down and gone through all of it yet, so that's what we're gonna do today. First, we're gonna start down here is my like sweatpants that I wouldn't really wear out of the house, just like to bed, and then t-shirts, big t-shirts, because I always like to sleep in big t-shirts. I think I have some shorts back there. Now, the first thing you wanna do is obviously clear out the entire drawer, but what I find is easier than just taking it all out and throwing it in a big pile on the ground is sort it as you take it out of the drawer, making sure to fold anything that is not already folded. And what I like to do with these is fold it and then just roll it up. The drawer is empty, so now we go about putting everything back. What I want to do is be very strategic about this and make sure that everything is going to have its place, that I can continuously put it back in. Wow, this one is really messy. So in this drawer, I just keep like t-shirts and long sleeve shirts and tank tops and stuff that I don't hang up, but as you can see, this is also a disaster. This is like a nicer shirt that I'd actually wear, like I'd pair it with an outfit. This would be a comfier shirt that I could just wear around the house. And then with my tank tops also, I like to roll them up like this. This came with a pair of shorts that I have. I never really wear it. That can go away. Now, something you should know about me is that I'm not the best at folding clothes. It's not one of my special skills. See, I just keep this all year round. It's my Merry Elfin Christmas. This tank top, fun fact, is the tank top I was wearing the night that I met my boyfriend 4 years ago. Get it? It's got a cat face on it because my name is Cat. I keep all of my like sweatpants that I might wear out of the house like a little more put together, and then my jeans and pants and skirts, all of that is in here, and some shorts, which really don't need to be in here right now because it's the winter. So for my jeans, what I like to do is actually roll them up like this. And then these, you saw it in my what I got for Christmas video. Again, with all my pants like this, I typically just roll them up. I love when pants like this get tight at the bottom. That's like my favorite. Shorts, shorts, shorts. Why do I have all these shorts in here? I do not need these. These can go in my summer box. Today, it's 20 degrees outside, so I don't need that. Skirts like this, I will keep in my drawer even through the winter because I'll wear them with tights to work. I love this skirt. I got this from Ann Taylor. Maybe I would wear it with like skin colored tights. Ooh, the drawer is empty. It's time to put all this back in my drawer. This is what my gym drawer currently looks like. Like, it's so packed, insanely packed. For this, first what I'm gonna do, just because there's so much stuff and I really wanna do an inventory of it, I'm not even gonna fold stuff first, I'm just going to separate it. Half of this stuff I never wear. I feel like I would always buy black workout pants, and I'm not even that much of a fan of black workout pants anymore, so it's just like, why, Kat? Why'd you buy so many? These, I don't like. These are just being given away. So now I'm gonna go one at a time. I know that all of these crop tops I want to keep. I know that I don't want to give any of those away, so put them over here for now. This I actually got from like a thrift store a while ago. It's just an Under Armour long sleeve shirt, and I'll definitely keep this. I bought this like 2 years ago and I really liked it, but I don't really like it that much anymore. I don't know. I mean, it's not bad. No, you know what? I'm giving this away. I don't need it. A lot of these tank tops I really don't ever wear, but this shirt I like. And now to move on to the biggest part of all, the pants. These are some of my favorite workout pants. I got them from TJ Maxx, and they are the brand Mondetta. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but great brand. If you ever find this at TJ Maxx, definitely recommend. I also really like this brand of pants. They are the 90 Degree by Reflex leggings that I purchased at TJ Maxx, but you can get these on Amazon as well, I know, and they're pretty cheap. I got these for like $15, I think. My beloved Gymshark pants. I definitely want to purchase more of these flex leggings for myself. They are so stinking comfortable. I laid out all of my pants, and then my crop tops I folded in half and put there. These are my shorts. These are the tank tops and t-shirts, and then the long sleeve shirts. If I do end up changing my method at some point, I'll totally update you guys and like let you know what I do. But for right now, I think that will work for me. Like I said, I'm not super crazy about perfect folding and perfect arrangement and everything. I just want it to all be where I can see it and use it and get to it, and it looks clean and organized. So that drawer is now good. So these are like prettier bras. They can go back there. Razorback bras. And then as for the rest of my bras, I will just layer them like this. And if you were wondering, this bra is from Forever 21, but literally every single other one is from Victoria's Secret. I love their bras. And then I'll do the same thing for my sports bras. Just kind of layer them out into little sections. So those are my sports bras. And then my underpants, I don't know, that's how I deal with it. Just like that. And then my socks, the same thing. That's that. Those are all of the clothes that I need to either donate, or maybe that I have to throw them out, whatever it may be. I think that's what I like to say. So I love you so much, and I will see you in my next